Want to become a millionaire? Here's the step-by-step roadmap that's actually been proven to work. Follow these 7 steps in order, and wealth becomes a matter of when, not if. Step 1. Acquire a high-income skill. This could be digital, like coding, design, copywriting, or marketing, or physical, like sales, mechanic, carpentry, or even a specialized trade. Skills pay the bills. Step 2. Use that skill to sell something, either your service, a product, or even someone else's product as an affiliate. Money flows where value is exchanged. Step 3. Build automated systems that sell for you while you're sleeping. Websites, sales funnels, ads, emails, so you can earn money even when you're not working. Step 4. As your income grows, don't inflate your lifestyle. Save aggressively. Stack cash. Use discipline now to buy freedom later. Step 5. Put your money to work for you. Invest in stocks, index funds, or rental properties. Compound interest turns good money into great wealth. Step 6. Don't rely on just one source of income. Diversify. Business, investments, digital products, real estate. Multiple streams equals financial stability. Step 7. Think long-term. Avoid shortcuts. Stay consistent. The real secret to becoming a millionaire is staying focused for years, not days. That's it. High-income skills, selling, automated systems, saving, investing, diversifying, staying consistent. Master the game, and the money will come. And hey, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs it.